This brief video will show you how to access customer summary sales information, period to date, year to date, last year's sales using iSales 100. So first what we're going to do is we're going to go into remote user maintenance, and I'm going to pull up, this is a setting you'll have to do for each individual user. And on the customers tab, you're going to find an option underneath sync options on the left here, customer summary data, and you want to make sure and check that box. This is something that you'll want to make sure from a system administrative standpoint that you wish to give access to certain individuals. Like if it's an end user customer, you might not want to have that information displayed. Then when you're in your iSales 100 application, the next time you access customer information, I'm going to tap on the customers icon. I'm going to select a customer, American Business Futures. Now you can see a new option here called Summary. So I'm going to tap on Summary, and you'll see now that I've got access to information on the current period, period to date sales, cost of goods sold, profit percent, cash received, and so on. I've got that information for period to date, year to date, and prior year information as well. Great new feature functionalities available in the 2018 version of iSales 100.